Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Ni kesengi u Chief Minister ka jala u Conrad sangma da wai perdau ye lek mendap san paus nem namo ka Golden Jubilee celebration ka Amlarem Civil Subdivision. Ha ni kesengi da emlang u Menteri ka Chenat Education u man le u MLA ka Amlarem u Lakmen Remboi, u Menteri ka GAD wa CNRD u Sustenance Sotun, u DC ka West Giant Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh, u SP ka District u JS Dhonwa, ki MDC ki Daloy ki hek sarkar wa kiwi. Kamu kongsan hagani kesengi u Conrad sangma da ong wa ka sarkar da chimkhia wai sngau khia ka wo pentikna wa i chakri uman i wa paka wai i wa yajan bha wa ki paitba khnang wom emkam de ki wo lai sa jangai hawale ki kot ki sla yong ki kamju ki ki wi de ki kam dapen bana wa daw chana no ia ka Mini Secretariat ha Amlarem he wa ikre daw sedang i hapo news nem wai upar chang wo sedang pen haperdi ini ilek mendap san paus nem ka Amlarem Subdivision. U Conrad dapen benau le he yato wak umkor he wad emkam sakhan ruklur kamte dapen benau wa pelait no ia ka poisa ka Amlarem augmentation water supply khnang wa ikre le usdang no i sakawi won ka project wa emkam wa pen benau Conrad ni to ki sarok po chnong namo ka internal road ha Amlarem subdivision he wa ikre le usdang i hapo ni usnem hejo ipor da khanau wa kwa wa yu wa hagi singi wa wan kat IWM emkam ki paiba mto de ulagi palat bar ya ka block office wo yi le ye emkam gi hewa memkam de ki ulai chaluti jangai na do wo ye le ye ka tribal certificates wa ki wi nei liang Lakmen Remboi da khana wa ki ni ki kam pen roi wa pen bana u Conrad ni hapo ka Amlarem Civil Subdivision u kunjo ki palat san phau klur.
It has always been our endeavor to bring the administration closer to the people. If you have seen in the past 7.5 years, two very important things we have been doing when it comes to administration. Number one, we have been trying to expand the different offices, whether new civil subdivisions, new blocks, and other administrative offices. We have tried to open as many of them as possible so that more service can be given to our people and our citizens. Second, we have also realized that opening new offices is not the only thing that we should do, but ensuring that the existing offices work in a much better way is again another area of big concern. It is based on that, if you have seen that in the last 7.5 years, all 46 existing blocks got new buildings in the block offices. All of them. And all the new block offices, 10 of them were created. Funds have been sanctioned for all the 10 block offices to have a new office building. Because we realized that without having the infrastructure, no matter how many offices we may have, we will not be able to provide the service to our people. This thought process has gone into every aspect of governance. You look at the government schools. Under the leadership of Mr. Lakmen Remboi, in the last term, we started the mission education.